Number one question from Alan. Why is Quad 3 or a move to Quad 3 bullish for NASDAQ tech, but China Quad 3 was bearish for China tech? Is this a Quad issue or another issue being China regulatory crackdown, which makes China tech different in Quad 3? I mean, obviously, we sort of saw the regulatory crackdown after the fact. It was sort of happened as we were negative on China.
Yeah, well, one, China tech and U.S. tech is not the same thing.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, now you'll know that Microsoft and Apple get copied by the Chinese. China doesn't have those intellectual assets, those alpha generators. So that's point number one. China. Point number two, which is on slide 22, the back test on China consumer, which made it a short, is Quad 3. The back test is the back test. Yeah. I actually don't sit there and try to rationalize why. I just do it. Yeah, if the signal agrees with it, right? So what that's showing is the GIP modeling historical backtest on Chinese consumer stocks. And what you do find is, while China tech is shit compared to U.S. tech, China consumers where a lot of the market cap is. Yep. It's still techy, but that's where the Alibabas are, for example, and that's been a great short for us. Felix is trying to make the turn here to the bullish side, and he did get warped into that, or warped or wrapped or smoked, whatever you want to call it, by the regulatory component. The regulatory component, it's a not so funny thing happened on the way to the forum. My brother was hero in that play at Hilton Head on Broadway. Is that bad shit starts to happen when it's already happening, right? So when you find, and this is the secret to the universe and rate of change, is that when you look at, let me just get this out of the way. When you look at something like China, show the chart of, do we have the chart of the Hang Seng still from yesterday? You're gonna have to dig that up. But here's a hint. It looks like this, right? So when something's already doing this, something happens here, like regulation, that makes it then do this. That's why I say risk happens slowly, then all at once. And you don't have to have inside information. You have to have discipline. Thank you. There's that chart. You have to have discipline. If you stay with your discipline, you don't have to have inside information and or know why. You're proactively preparing using your rule-based system.